Hey y'all, this is Debbie with the Food Prepping channel, and today I wanted to come on here so y'all can see me. Here I am, y'all. Wait a minute, how's it go? Like this, something like that. Here I am, y'all. I'll be 64 in July, so I'm getting old. But for those of you that don't know me or haven't watched any of my videos, I'll be 64 in July. I'm divorced, so it's just me. I've got 4 children ranging in age from 26 to 44 in December, and I've got 5 grandchildren, 1 on the way, which will make it 6. I was raised on Southern cooking. My grandmas both cook some of the best food, and I'll never be able to cook as good as they can, but I do try. I've got over 1,000 videos, I think, on here, and I just wanted to talk to y'all and tell you about what's going on with me. First off, this COVID stuff has really scared me. I haven't been out of my house to go. I go like to Kroger's and pick up groceries, or I'll go to Walmart and pick up groceries. But as far as going out and going in anywhere, I haven't really been anywhere since this happened. I've gotten real scared about it. I got obsessed with it. I was watching it every day. I was watching Trump. We're not even going there. I was watching him. I was watching Virginia's governor. Every time he was on, I was reading all about it and everything, and it really got me depressed. I really got depressed, and I was making videos, but to put them on YouTube is just, and work on them and edit them and all that, I just haven't done it. But I'm going to get back into this. I'm going to try to do videos every day, if not every other day, at least every other day. And I lost my nurse. She just up and left, and so I got another nurse. Her name is Dana. I love her to pieces. She's really cool. I like her, and hopefully she'll be here for a while. And so also, my mom died on April the 25th, and that really knocked me for a loop. And so April 25th was also my youngest daughter's birthday. So my mom died on my youngest daughter's birthday. And so then we've had Easter and Mother's Day and all that, and it's just been hard with this COVID stuff. And because I have diabetes and I have COPD, because I did smoke up until last March. It's been a year in March. It had been a year since I've smoked, and I do vape now, but I'm not smoking cigarettes or whatever anymore, and that's been really hard on me. But because of this COVID stuff, I am at very high risk to get this, and so I've just really had to stay at home and take care of myself and try not to be around anybody that's going anywhere, or around a lot of people and stuff like that. And I get my grandchildren every other week now, and so y'all seen some of the videos. I've posted some of the videos, but I've got videos that's probably back from April that I haven't put on here yet. So y'all are going to see videos that are behind in the dates or whatever, but I still want to show y'all. I still want to show you what I've been doing. And y'all know that I've got a Ninja Foodi, and I've got a Ninja Foodi grill, and I love using those. If you've got an Instant Pot, most everything that I fix in my Ninja Foodi you can fix in your Instant Pot. So that's that. And I want to tell y'all that I'm nearing 50,000 subscribers, and I have got some of the best subscribers, and I know everybody says this, but I really do. Y'all have been so good to me and stuck behind me and been here for me. Some of y'all, from what I can understand and what your comments have said, some of y'all have been here with me all these years that I've been on YouTube. So I want to tell you that I love you. I love reading your comments. And if you do, you know, I am on disability. I do, you know, make money off of my videos for YouTube, but you know, it helps me out a lot being on a the income that I'm on or whatever, for y'all to watch the videos, to like the videos, comment on the videos, watch the ads on the videos. That helps me out a lot. And also, if there's anything that you need or if you want it, tell me, because I am a I can't even think of the name now, but I do have things that I can, links that I put under my videos, the things that I use in my kitchen. And you can purchase them from Amazon. It doesn't cost you 1 penny more than it would if you bought them off of Amazon. It just gives me a few pennies off of everything that you may buy. So that's, you know, some of the ways that you can help me, and I appreciate it. I love, like I said, I love y'all to death. My kids and my grandkids now know that this has been a big part of my life. And now Dana's over here behind the camera now, and she's going to know that it's a big part of my life too. So I just wanted to come on here and tell y'all what's been going on. And my depression has just been been unbearable almost. But I am making it. Hopefully things are going to be better. Hopefully. But I have missed y'all. I am going to be doing this more, you know, in the future, and I hope y'all can still stick with me and still be behind me, because you're the best to me. You're the best. You're the best subscribers anybody's got on YouTube, because you've stood behind me in everything that's gone on in my life. And so I'm here I am, and I'm going to get off here now and go and make another couple videos. So I hope you have a good day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.